Spacious Rambler with a 40'x26 attached garage with heated workshop nestled on a corner lot with mature trees and beautiful landscaping. This conveniently located home features an open kitchen/dining area with a raised arched panel cabinets, large pantry and rollouts, a relaxing and private patio off the dining room, vaulted ceilings, and main floor living with 3 bedrooms, plus 1 down, and main floor laundry. The lower level is fully finished and has a spacious family room, bonus room, 4th bedroom, and lots of storage in the huge mechanical room. Additional interior features include 6-panel oak doors, a large walk-in closet in the master bedroom, recessed lighting, and lots of storage throughout. Outside you will find a large patio with a privacy fence great for entertaining.